Hi Abhishek.
Hi Aditi.
So how is it going for you?
Everything going, I think it's going good. And by the time all the organization are thinking, rethinking, and reimagining after COVID, like
Hmm.
क्या होने वाला है?
So tell me something about Muskan first. What is Muskan Dreams?
So basically, Muskan Dreams is a kind of a non-profit organization, and we are working to bridge the digital divide in government schools.
Mm-hmm.
The problem that we are trying to solve is basically that India's government schools are not ready for the digital world. And I think COVID has accelerated this journey because due to this COVID period, I think we all were, part of this uh, digital transformation. And I think एक बड़ा तबका है जो अभी तक जिनके पास like the children who do not have the access of digital. I think you won't believe, but in every four child, right, three children do not have access to digital, only one child. So we can say
Okay.
that only 25% children have the access, but the rest 75% do not have
Wow.
any sort of digital devices. We were closely working with the state government of Madhya Pradesh education
Okay.
department.
So basically it's like you are making education accessible to the needy children by using technology. One is your smart classroom that you are building under Muskan Dreams, and second one is this e-learning platform that you are building along with the government. Hmm.
So connecting teachers and technology through Army of Tech volunteers. Yeah.
That's great. So you build this platform by using our platform, supersourcing.com. So can you please share your experience, like the agency whom you outsource your work, what is your experience and how your product turned out to be after how much of the time you spent on it? So how was
Correct.
your experience?
Yeah. So I think it was really great because I remember in the month of July, I think June, and we were just having internal discussion, kisko kaam diya jaye, like, who's the right person, basically, who we
Hmm.
can trust, because you cannot give kind of this kind of product building work to any company, yeah, which is unknown for you. So I think
Hmm.
this time I remember that Mayank connected us with Ignis IT Solution. I think that's the
Hmm.
company I remember. And I think these are the very nice people. I mean, they are available all the time whenever it's required because, when you work with the government, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of meetings to just finalize,
Yeah.
simple thing and simple each step. But I think it was a really great experience. We are working continuously and rigorously from last 4 to 5 months, and I think product is about to complete. So probably by end of November, we are expecting that product will be about to complete, and I think in December we are planning to launch that product.
That's
So
great.
yeah, I think, and also we have decided that the maintenance of that product also in future, if any sort of changes required, because the product building is not a kind of one part, one time work. It required updates. It required a lot of changes. So I think we currently, as what we have decided is basically we are continuing with the same company for a long term period and
Hmm.
making sure that the product, all the challenges related to product will be solved by the same company. So I think it's kind of really good experience with them, and yeah, and they are the kind of trust building people. Yeah.
So how would you rate the quality of the product on a scale of 5 so far?
uh yeah, I think I don't mind, like, I think 4 out of 5 I would give, right?
And the response from the company?
It's quite good. They are
Okay.
very nice people because, yeah.
And do you think the company's expertise in the education domain really helped you in pulling this product forward with a good quality?
Yeah, because see, when you do not have any sort of experience in building an education product, I think then it's quite difficult for any company, right? Because then
Hmm.
you need to start everything from scratch. But you have already built a product, so it helps. It expertise help to push the boundaries, basically. What sort of updates required, what can be done, what cannot be done, what is
Right,
the easy way to go. So these
right.
are some of the things I think experience, and by the time I think so ये सारी चीजों के through, I think, because उनका experience था, so we have done quite a good job, right?
And even in a
Yeah.
lesser time, I guess it's only 3 months
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah. It's been 3 months. Yeah, correct.
That's good. So do you recommend supersourcing.com to others for their projects?
Yeah, definitely, because what happens with the I think the people, right, who do not have a kind of internal capacity of tech, right? Because this is kind of one of the challenge I face and I feel with a lot of organization, even the private companies and the for-profit startups. People have idea, but they don't, they don't have idea what is the right kind of technology required. And
Right.
normally, what happened with them, they connected with, I mean, not with the right people, and they get failed. The product will not, वो ठीक से नहीं बन पाता है. So I think if we go through some organization like yours, right? So I think this will help to build a right channel, and also it will help to improve their experience, as well as they will connect with the right kind of people. I think so. I think that's the most important thing, because product building is a kind of tough task.
So do you recommend supersourcing.com to others?
Definitely, absolutely. I strongly recommend super sourcing for all the young entrepreneurs, even in the organization and companies, because I think trust is the most important factor in every aspect, I think. So yeah, I think I would say, and I would request to all the startup entrepreneurs, go through super sourcing.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you for your time, and we wish you all the best for your product launch, and hopefully we will serve you in future too.
Thank you so much, Aditi. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.